In a world where human activities, boundaries, and differences have threatened the security of our Earth's biodiversity and environment, it is high time we take strides to increase multinational collaborations to collectively plan for a greener future. With this mission in mind, the Conference on Catalyzing Transboundary Collaboration to Enhance Action-Based Conservation was held in Thapatali, Nepal. Conservationists from 3 countries, Nepal, India, and Australia, came together to discuss how to conserve the planet through extended communication between stakeholding countries.